Have you ever wondered if there's a method of farming that could save water, space, and produce more food simultaneously? Let me introduce you to aquaponics. This sustainable farming method ingeniously marries the cultivation of plants and fish in a symbiotic system. The beauty of aquaponics lies in its efficient use of water, its space-saving design, and its dual yield of both plants and fish. It's like having your fish and eating your greens too. Interested in setting up your own aquaponics system? Let's dive into the process. Setting up an aquaponics system may seem complex, but with the right steps, it becomes manageable. First, choosing the right location is crucial. A well-lit area with moderate temperatures is ideal for your fish and plants to thrive. Next, you'll need to set up your fish tank. This is where your fish will live and produce the nutrients your plants need. Then comes the grow bed, which will house your plants. It's important to ensure it's large enough to accommodate your plant's root systems. Now onto the water pump and pipes. The pump will circulate the nutrient-rich water from the fish tank to the grow bed. The pipes will then return the filtered water back to the fish tank, creating a sustainable cycle. Once your system is set up, it's time to add your fish and plants. Remember, the key to a successful aquaponics system is balance between the number of fish and the amount of plants. And voila, you have your very own aquaponics system. Now that you've learned about aquaponics, why not give it a try? Imagine the satisfaction of cultivating your own thriving ecosystem, where fish and plants symbiotically benefit from each other. It's not just about growing food, it's about fostering sustainability and taking control of your health by knowing exactly what goes into your meals. Plus, it's an engaging hobby that can bring so much joy. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more sustainable farming ideas. Happy farming!